Hello kids, it's your mom again. So today we are going temple hopping in Cambodia. But first, dapat kumain. So we're going to eat our breakfast in the hotel. So they have this breakfast buffet. Breakfast. Kinds of rice. Rice, steamed rice or fried rice. Miss Via kasi may nga steamed rice di ang tawag. Ang seryoso itawag sa Pilipinas, Ming. Hindi, steamed rice. Magod na. Kanya init pa. Init pa. Calamares. May chop suey. Have salted egg. Some bread. Butter. And what's this? Dragon fruit. Some grams. Fruits. Cereal. Spices, salad, and the rest of the things. This is where we're checked in. This is what I got. Fruits and the leftover amok, which I haven't refrigerated. Ito na, may omelette. Giluto niya. So we got picked up by a tourist bus right after we ate our breakfast, and then meron kaming mga kasabay na foreigners din. So parang hinihintay namin sila this time. So marami-rami kami sa bus.
Please check your name also, please. Okay, please enjoy that. Have a nice day, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy it. Today our trip, whole day tour. We start now until 6 o'clock at night. Yeah, 6 o'clock. Our program is visit the sunset. Yeah, sunset. 5:35 sunset, and then we finish tour at the temple 6 o'clock. We back the hotel. I drop you off at the hotel. We spend time around 1 hour more. Around 7 o'clock we finish. Okay, yeah. Our program today we visited the 5 places. First we start to visit number one. Number 2, Tabrum. Yeah, Tabrum, the temple, the Angelina tomb right there, Tabrum. Number 3, Uncle's home. Number 4, Bayuan. I say, how do you do? How do you do? This similar older or younger than me. Some the people they're older than me, my palm on the lip. On the lip. Yeah, this older than me. I say, how do you do?
5 levels.
And then they, my parent or my teacher on the nose. Yeah, my parent and teacher on the nose. Normally, the culture of my country, they respect that they take out the head also. Take out the head. It's on the nose. These are my parent and my teacher. And then for the monk and priest here. For the king here. King and God. Yeah, similar older, parent, monk, king, my classmate. Number 1, they call charming smiling. You know, charming smiling or the attract smiling. The people is smile notice. Yes, smile.
Pahiyom.
Yeah.
Ba't ito smile sila always?
Yeah, number 1 they call charming smiling. Number 2, morning glory flower smiling.
Kangkong.
You know morning glory?
Yeah,
morning glory is flower smiling. The people saw that they smile.
Baka perfect.
Yeah, they saw the kiss morning glory. Number 2. Number 3, chicken smiling.
What? Chicken?
Yeah, chicken smiling. The people is smile, the mouth closed, but the eye don't look side. Smile.
Again.
Yeah, charming smiling. Morning glory. Chicken smiling.
So fully the most. Chicken smiling daw eh. So we learned some stuff from our tour guide. So apparently he's an ex-monk and daghan siyang mga nahibalan yun and ihap po siyang gi-share sa amo. Including the no-touch policy. Na dili sila makagunit og mga babae unless iyang mama. To expound, halimbawa nay masakit, so dili gid sila pwede mo gunit sa iyang igsuon or sa laing babae. Right here. Happy! Happy!
Lagnose kay ko.
I'm going to buy some tickets here. A lot of foreigners. So we got our 1-day pass for the temples and amazing, na picture ang amuang pass. So when we reached Angkor Wat, ito merong tig-check kung may pass pa kami. Kaya pala meron talagang face yung aming pass.
Here they plant the tree. Yeah, what tree? The country? Indonesia. Yeah, this is president or the prime minister Indonesia plant the tree. Yeah, yeah. Next, this Lao. Huh? Yeah, Lao tree. The president or the prime minister they plant.
Lao Peder.
Lao.
Malaysia.
Malaysia. Yeah, Malaysia.
Asia 3. When was this?
Philippines no grow up tree.
When?
Because the big tree and the cover said no grow up, yeah, small.
Philippines.
Yeah, because the tree and the Philippines.
When was this, sir? When did they plant the trees?
They keep a memory.
ASEAN Summit.
ASEAN Summit.
Hello, one picture.
Pa ni Tubo. Ito 30 dagang kay kita nom. Ang katawa kasi ito 30 din. Ano ni Tubo kaya? Ay klaro. Ang tawag ko ng tour guide. Ito na yung may Tubo ang Philippines. We are at Angkor Wat. Angkor what? Angkor what?
Never back down, never what?
Never back down, never what? Nice. Nice, nice. Happy. Hi.
For the prime minister or the high class people, prepare the side for the common people. Different way, yeah. The old king, right side priest, and monk, prime minister. Now this is the building the temple about the big hedge.
Daniel pa din yaw. Itong karo pa rin.
So the temple around 900 years ago. The king Cambodia he building here the name king Surya Varman II. Yeah. Yeah, and then the statue over here and the Vaganisi God and the Lakshmi Vaganisi.
First destination, Kapoy na sila.
Kapoy na ko, kapoy na ko kay Makat. Kay matak, kay tak, kay bukoy. Takwi.
My country, the people they believe in an odd number. You know odd number?
Yes.
Odd number. Normally an odd number they believe lucky number. You look at the baluster here.
So according to our tour guide, Buddhism believes in odd numbers. So yung mga steps, naka-odd numbers yan siya, and then basta yung mga bagay-bagay dito naka-odd numbers. As I said, that was just the entrance to the temple. So ito, nilakad pa namin para talagang puntahan namin yung actual na temple, yung doon sa dulo. Mahaba-habang lakaran, and then it's very humid. Mas humid pa siya kaysa sa Thailand, and grabe gud ang init diri guys. Exhausting kayo siya. So I won't recommend it if you're not fond of walking under the sun, just like us. Hi guys, look at magsapa Vietnam na lang kita. Look at my face. It's very ano na. Here's the temple. Bob, I'm so agnas na, Bob. You still love me even if I'm agnas na, Bob? Upo daw. Yaha kong ginatabunan kanina sa sunlight. Yeah. I love mo ko ni Bob. Tara, Bob.
Nay, ano ha? Makawat yung cellphone.
You tired, Bob?
Hindi ko.
Your ilok is now wet, Bob.
Kapit na.
We're almost there. And then there's this monkey. It's about to steal my phone. About to steal my phone. About to steal my phone. Oh, it's not. No, it's not.
Prime Minister, the promise with the king, I become to the Prime Minister. I have to honesty with the king, honesty with my country, honesty with the people, no betray. Betray, misfortune. And then they take the water in front of the king, small cap, they drink, share, all. These are long years ago until now the same.
Buhan ko ni Ming. Marka. Ang imaha pong ano, Ming. Awa ni puti-puti. Para ning trapuhan. Paano no? Tanggal na ako makeup, Ming.
Naon na adri. Ito po diri babi. Kita nimo?
Nabi. Babi, nawe. Na yun, no?
Wala naman. 1, 2, 3, go.
So gikapoy na gid kay mig baktas ani guys, pasulod pa lang ni siya sa temple, pero grabe agnas na kaya akong makeup. And hingal na kayo, it's very hot here, very humid. Grabe gid siya kainit, di makaya. No, ko. Sola ba? Ingana lang kanipis ang imong kamakan. Nga to ka stiff. OMG. Grabe, 37 steps. But it's now closed because it's too slippery because of the lumot. Mold. What's that mold? Algae? Tama si Dane. Ay, wala na. Nagway ni Dane. Kanihawa si Bobby. Wala na siya eh. Wala na siya eh. Ano siya kapagdunan? Dane, disappointed kay mong naong paghawa ni Bobby.
Wala kay kapandungan. Disappointed kay mong naong paghawa ni Bobby. Anay kapandungan.
We're so exhausted to even breathe, guys. So, nagpaiwan na kami dito. And yung ibang tourists, marami ding nagpaiwan. Pero yung ibang tourists, pumunta sila sa loob talaga ng temple. And we opted not to go na.
Kapoy naka, kumusta mo?
Init. Okay lang unta pero init kayo.
Kaya mo sa Pilipinas, pero taas lang yung walks. Wala tanaanan. Tara, tara. Nalulungkot, nayayamot. Sa mukha, ano yung yellow mo ang gipalit, Ming. Sa trip mo, ano, Ming? Ano yung yellow ni?
Ano pa na? Yellow, orange, or green?
Murag may tilapia.
Agwapo na, Daniel Padilla siya.
Yeah. Bye. So this is the Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat. Never back down, never what. It's very old. 9,000 years ago. It's thousands of years ago. And our companions went up. Pero kami, nagpabili namin sa baba kay pabeta na anad o kuan. Pata na anad o ambak-ambak sa kasaka. Sige, go. Hi! Bye, Angkor Wat. For the memories.
If it's not so obvious, there's a lot of people here, mapa-local man or tourists, international tourists, and then like this couple, daghan og mga naga-prenup shoot here for their wedding. And also, daghan og mga locals na naga-offer og photo shoot, so you just have to pay them. And I can't recall how much.
This is our first temple, pero ano na, hulas na ang mga
Kami na magbalik sa hotel.
Tamay na mo jump country.
Dali lang.
May gagawas.
This is a lot of vitamin D for us already.
Hindi naman yung vitamins na. Sakit naman eh. Skin cancer.
Cancer. Okay, bye. Kanto.
Cute kayo mata. One marshmallow.
Check it out.
Hello. One marshmallow.
Check it out. Oy.
Two marshmallow. Two marshmallow.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Nagarawan na si Den.
While waiting for our group, nag-play muna kami ng marshmallow game na murag wa gyud minabutan ni og 3 or 5. Skrimming kamali, and then bored na kami, guys. Dugay kinaabot. Pero go lang, we're enjoying our own company.
Street na tayo.
Ito tama kita. Ngayon sa tagkansa. One sa tagkusog. Mau pa gani pagtindog na to.
Kusog naman gaya pangayo.
Kayo. Di ba dito?
Steps here are very steep. Isa ka maling lipat ni mo diri Takbos-tak. Floaty. Shock ko pag tama. Kuyawan ko. Kuryente ta. Tumukan ni mo Because one of us is dehydrated. Nagkulit ba?
May. Sige na, may igagawin kayo.
So we bought this one. It's like ginanggang. So they gave us this stuff
Restaurant, they have
to cool up our heads.
Restaurant daw.
Mia, ay. Ano kayo siya?
Initas sa amin. Pati gini mo ni sila. Lemon grass, sabi na huwag mainom.
Ha?
Sabi na huwag mainom.
Mainom? Uy, nasa bago. Nasa bago.
Lemon grass yan.
Ako.
Patag mo isa yun.
Sige, sige.
Saging.
Marasag ka ng...
Lahi siya ka saging. Lahi nga saging.
So what this? Saging. I don't know what it's called, but it's like ginanggang, di ba, sir?
Ano ito isa?
Nagtundan nga gikuan.
Happy man.
Continue visit and temple Angelina Jolie Tomb Raider. Taprum, yeah,
We're going to... Ito ang katong location sa Tomb Raider. Bye.
So after a few minutes of driving, we're finally here at the restaurant and dugay kinabot ang ilang order pero sige na lang.
Ordered this baby corn with chicken.
Sa isa ko yung mga pork or ano.
Chicken. How was it, Bob? Also, this juice. What's your order, Ming?
Fried basil.
Uy, wala ka na ng head.
Salamat.
Spicy.
Spicy.
naman na siya.
Salamat, diretso ko pa yun ng head.